Hey everyone, welcome back. Have a UBS account but never set up the mobile banking app? Here's exactly how to get the UBS mobile banking set up on your iPhone from scratch, step by step. First, download and install the UBS app from the App Store. Go to the App Store, search UBS Mobile Banking and tap Get. Also download UBS Access. Search UBS Access and install that too. You need both the apps. Open UBS Mobile Banking and then tap Register or Open an account. Click Continue. Then choose who you are opening the account for, either yourself or for the company. Once you choose, then choose the country you're from. Once you do that, go ahead and agree on the terms and conditions of the app. After that, enter your UBS contract number. This is on your bank statements, welcome letter, or any official UBS correspondence. After entering it, UBS will send a verification activation code to the phone number registered with your UBS account by SMS. Enter that code. Now you'll need to activate the UBS Access app. Open the UBS Access app and follow its steps to set it up. It will ask for another activation code which UBS will send you. Once both the apps are set up and linked, go back to the UBS Mobile Banking and complete your login using your contract number. And UBS Access will be approved. During this step you can also enable Face ID for faster logins. Tap the option when it appears and scan your face, and that's it. All you gotta do is download both UBS Mobile Banking and the UBS Access, enter contract number, verify by SMS, activate UBS Access, enable Face ID, all set up, and that's it. Subscribe for more UBS app guides.